बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बस आज के लेक्चर में हम एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं। फाइंड द लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी वेयर एफ ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू 0 व्हेन टी लाइज बिटवीन 0 एंड a, 1 व्हेन टी लाइज बिटवीन a and b, and it is equal to 0 when t is greater than b. You see here f of t function is split into three parts. Now how can you find the Laplace transform of this function? First of all, write the formula of Laplace transform of f of t. What is the formula of Laplace transform of f of t? 0 integral 0 to infinity e raised power minus s t f of t dt. Now tell me which value of f of t can be inserted here. While f of t is split into three parts, which value should I use here? Which value of f of t should I use here? कौन सी वैल्यू यूज करूं बताओ जी। ये एफ ऑफ टी की तीन वैल्यूज दी हुई हैं, तो अब मैं यहां पे कौन सी यूज करूं? फर्स्ट तो बाकी दो नो, हम फर्स्ट वैल्यू यूज सिर्फ एक खास रेंज के लिए कर सकते हैं जब टी 0 से लेके ए तक जाए। तो हमें लिमिट्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन जो है वो पहले सेपरेट करनी पड़ेंगी। अब देखें कि here t varies from 0 to infinity. We have to separate this integral into three parts. First of all, we write here from 0 to a e raised power minus s t f of t dt. Keeping this in mind, here t is split into 0 to a, and then the second integral will be from a to b e raised power minus s t f of t dt, and finally we have t greater than b. Therefore this should be b to infinity e raised power minus s t f of t dt. Now after writing the integral into three parts, we are in position to write the values of function. For this particular limit, we will use f of t is equal to 0, because for this range when t varies from 0 to a, f of t is equal to 0. Therefore the first integral will become 0, and the second integral where t varies from a to b, f of t is 1. Therefore we will have here from b to from a to b e raised power minus s t into 1, and finally for the third integral we once again will have 0. Is it clear? Okay. Now Laplace transform of f of t should be equal to integral a to b e raised power minus s t dt. Now what's its integration? E raised power minus s t over minus s, and then we have to apply the limits a to b. What's its integration? E raised power minus s t. E raised power minus s t will be written as it is, and then we will divide its derivative of its power, that is minus s. Power is minus s t, its derivative with respect to t will be minus s. Now applying the limits, e raised power minus s into b, in place of t we have to put b, minus e raised power minus s a over minus s. This will give you e raised power minus s minus bs minus as over minus s, or we can take negative sign common from the numerator, and this will give you minus e raised power minus bs plus e raised power minus as over minus s. In this way this negative sign will be cancelled each other, and we can rearrange the terms, writing the positive term first, e raised power minus as minus e raised power minus bs over s, and this is our required Laplace transform of the given function, which was split into three parts. This is how can we find the Laplace transformation of a split function. This is an example. You can proceed for the functions like this piecewise functions. In fact, these are piecewise functions. you can find the Laplace transform of such kind of piecewise functions. Thank you.